Hi friends, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela Web Dev. In this video, we will see how to update this post. So before submitting the update, first we need to open the model pop-up and we need to pre-populate these all the details, right? So in that pop-up model, we need to show it. Let's try to do this one. So if you try to go here, where is this app.js? So this is the app.js, right? First, we need to submit when I click on this update thing, we need to open the pop-up model. So where is this pop-up model available? What I can say here, right? So update. So here I am using the class is equal to update post. So here this is the update post. So we can do it in many ways. This one actually. So what I will try to do is I will get this table element. Okay. So table element dot add event listener of Klook. So we will be having this event propagation, right? I will be making use of this event propagation. And we can do the console.log e.target. So by this we can able to get the target element, whatever the thing it is clicked on. So if I try to click on this one, if I go here, click on update, see I'm able to get the update post, but this time we are getting two elements. Why? Because so we are having the window, right? Yeah, here we are doing the console.e.target. Yeah. Now if I click on this update thing, if I click on the update thing, see we are able to get the update post. Okay, we got the update post. Now what we need to do, we need to get the id, this id, post id. So here let's say that let target is equal to e.target, and what I can do is let post id is equal to target dot parent element. So we need to get the parent element. Oh sorry, parent element. Oh, all spelling mistake. Yeah, console.log post id. Now if I try to click on the update here, we are able to get the td, right? But we need to get another parent element. Okay, let's try to add another parent element. So now if I click on the update, we are able to get the tr. In this tr, the first element child, we need to get the inner html. Okay, let's go to the first element child. So these are all the things I have discussed in the DOM course. So if you want to learn about these all things, DOM traversing, so you can check out my DOM course so that you can understand these all things. So that is the reason I'm not explaining these all things. So here I can do the inner HTML. Now if I click on this update thing, now we got the IDC. We got the ID. Now we need to get all those details. One thing is we can get this title description like that, we can get it. Or otherwise, normally what we'll try to do is we will try to do fetch get request. So here we can take this one all, or otherwise we can take this one all. This is one way. So here we have and ajax dot get of url. So post url, I will try to take this post url. When this post, we got the post, so what we need to do, so we need to find the single post, selected post or anything, or otherwise selected post, and here we need to find post dot find of post. So post id is equal to post dot id. So we'll need to find the selected post. So let's console.log of selected post. Yeah, if I try to do this one, if I click on the update, here see we are able to get the particular selected post, whatever the user has selected, we are able to get these details. Fine, we got the details, and we need to open the pop-up model and we need to populate those things. So here populate model fields I will try to do. And before doing that one, so what I can do, document dot get element by id of update model dot style dot display is equal to block, and we need to pass this selected post into this one. That's it. So now if I click on the update, see I'm able to open the pop-up model. Now here I need to pre-populate this title and description. Okay, so here we are having this one, right? We can also mention this one inside this one only, so we can do it. So here I can get this post. So we will be having the what I can say, this one, right? So here I will be doing title update and here I can write id is equal to post update, right? But not post update, description update. That's it. So now let's go to the app.js, and here document dot get element by id of title update dot value is equal to post dot title. So we'll get the post dot title, and the same thing description update. This time we'll get the description update. Description update, we'll get the post dot description. That's it. Let's try to see update. We are able to populate the details successfully. We are able to populate the details. So now we got this one all. So update thing is completed. And now when I try to change these values, so we need to get those all details. Okay. So here I'm submitting. So when I click on the update post, we need to update it. So now we'll try to do the cancel thing. So cancel, it is refreshing, right? So what I can do here, the cancel means in the update, I think if we add the class is equal to close, so everything will work, I think. Let's see. I click on the update, I click on the cancel. See, it's working fine. And update cancel is working. This is also working fine. That's it. So now this all the update post is completed. So now what we need to do, we need to do the put request. So here we are using this populate request and all the things is done. So now we need to do the push request. So in the next video, what we'll try to do is we'll try to complete the put request and also the delete request, and we'll wrap this entire course. Hope you understood about this one. So how to get, this is one way of getting the post details and all those things. Why I'm telling you this one is, so there is no need. So you can get this all the parent element like children, and you can get those details, or so you can loop over the children and all those things, you can get it. So like this, different ways will be there. But what I am trying to do is, normally in the real time, we by getting the ID, we will get again the details, whether the details are correctly present or not. So if these are correctly present and we are getting the correct ID means, then only we will repopulate those all things. So this is one way, instead of relying entirely on the DOM front end. So we are trying to get the details from the post, whether the post details existing or not. So either way we can do it. It's not a problem. And here what I am trying to use it is the table element dot add event listener of click. So here I am using the event propagation. And another one what I can say is, so before closing this one all, somewhere we have resetted the form, right? So where we have resetted the form, in the add event listener, DOM content loaded, not here, here. So close model dialogues, and here I am trying to do title and description empty, right? We can also use in such a way that instead of using this one, e dot target dot reset. So we can use the reset also. Sorry, reset. So this one also works, not a problem. So here if I try to do, and if I click on that post, done. And here see, this one also done. So e dot target dot reset also, you can use it to reset the form. So this is one thing what I want to tell you. So in the next video, we'll complete the put request and also the delete request. Hope you understood about this one, pre-populating the thing in the update model. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.